Welcome to Santa Maria Dairy Farm. Ako po si Jose Tapay, managing partner dito sa farm. Santa Maria Dairy Farm was established in July of 2013. Our first batch of 74 heads of dairy animals arrived in August of that year. Kami ay malugod na in-entertain na ngayon ay administrator, Miss Marilyn Mabali. Naalala ko pa ng panahon na yun ay siya ang regional manager ng Northern Mindanao at siya ang nangangasiwa doon sa quarantine ng mga baka sa Delmonte. From that batch, doon kami nakakuha ng aming initial na mga baka. In our operations sa Santa Maria Dairy Farm, we have our ups and downs, we have our challenges, and we also have our rewards. In our first year of operation in 2013, out of the 74 heads, 20 ang namatay. So that was very discouraging. But we were also encouraged kasi during that time, yung 60 heads na pinimelt namin was able to produce an average of 20 liters per head. The peak production, nag-average sila ng 20 liters per head per day. Ang sistema ng pag-aalaga namin ng aming mga baka ay dalawang klase. Meron kaming pasture grazing at saka confinement feeding. So, pag sila ay pasok nila sa aming pen, sila ay nakakakain ng concentrate. At pag sila naman na ginagatasan, another round of concentrate. Pagkatapos noon, sila ay lumalabas sa pasture namin para makain naman sila ng rabbit. Lately, we are trying to give comfort our animals by way of providing electric fans, water sprinklers. We also try to put some rubber sa concrete cement para malambot para sa kanila pagluto. In the hope that this will provide comfort sa aming mga baka, and in return, they will give more. Nung nagsimula kami noong 2013, naalala ko noon, kakaunti pa lang kaming nasa industriya, wala kami mapagtanungan kung meron kaming mga problema sa animal health, problema sa feeding. And then, fast forward ngayong 2019 na papansin ko ang malaking kaibahan ay marami na nag-engage sa dairy. So, marami kami nagkakakilala, nagkakapag-usap-usap kami, we can compare notes. So, mas madali naming masolusyonan mga problema kasi may napapagtunawan kami. At salamat sa National Dairy Authority, maraming na-encourage na mag-dairy.